All right, Ammon, so we've set this up very nicely. It's time now to look at some techniques to defend against botnets. We will look at 4 ways of defending against botnets. Now, the first way is to apply RFC 3704 filtering to filter out traffic from unused or reserved IP addresses at the ISP level before it enters the internet link. The second one is to apply black hole filtering by dropping incoming traffic at network nodes without informing the source.
Now, the third technique is going to be to use Cisco IPS source IP reputation filtering by checking against the Cisco IPS database to ascertain if an IP or service is a source of the threat. And then the last or fourth technique would be to use DDoS prevention offerings from an IPS or DDoS service by enabling the IP source guard. The traffic is going to be filtered based on the DHCP snooping binding database or IP source bindings.